Welcome to today's video. In this video, I will create a Spambot using PyAutoGUI and teach you how to do it. Keep on watching. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Spambot using Python and PyAutoGUI. So I have my main.py file open in Sublime Text here. I also installed a package called CodeIntel, which is an IntelliSense for Python. So to get started, we need to first install PyAutoGUI. To do that, we have to open a terminal or PowerShell and type in pip install PyAutoGUI. So this statement will install PyAutoGUI for us. Pip is nothing but a package manager for Python. It will install and it will give a message called successfully installed PyAutoGUI. You can see that over here, successfully installed PyAutoGUI version number. And then we can close the terminal. Now we can import our PyAutoGUI. Since the name is very lengthy, we wouldn't want to use it every time PyAutoGUI like that. So we will use a keyword called as and rename it in our project alone. I am going to use PAG, which is short form for PyAutoGUI, and now we can get started coding here. We are going to be using two functions in PyAutoGUI. They are the typewrite feature and the press feature. You might have guessed what these two keywords do. If you did not, typewrite types a word wherever our cursor is, and the press function presses a button in the keyboard. For example, if I put press O, it will press the key O. Now let's write some code. If we do pag dot, since I installed CodeIntel, all these functions I can do with PAG, that is PyAutoGUI, come on here. So we can do a bunch of stuff, but we are going to use typewrite. And now we can enter whatever we want to be typed. I am going to enter hello and let's run this. As you can see, hello is typed on our screen. Okay, now we can make our Spambot. So we want our Spambot to send a message repeatedly over and over again. So we have to use an endless loop. We can do that using the while loop. Instead of entering anything in here, we are going to enter true. So true is a variable in Python. As you can tell, if we make a bool variable is male or anything, we will usually set it to true or false. So true is always equal to true. So there is nothing to break this statement. So it will keep repeating endlessly. We will go down and anything we write in these indents will be inside our while loop. Now I am going to write pag dot typewrite and we can enter whatever prompt we want. We can also store the message in a variable. So I am going to name it message, which is going to be equal to, and I am going to assign this variable inside of here. So while true is equal to true, our PyAutoGUI will type message again and again. Now we need to send the message. So enter usually sends the message in most of the chatting apps. So we are going to do tag.press and enter. We are going to enter it in strings. So the enter refers to the enter key. So whenever we type write message, we also press the enter key. So again and again and again, which will keep sending the message again and again and again. Now we can run this, but the problem is when we run it, messages will instantly start coming out of nowhere. So to prevent that, we are going to add some delay before our while loop gets executed. So to do that, I am going to open my terminal and pip install time. I have already installed the time, so it will probably give an error. As you can see, there is an error. Now we can close this prompt and use the time.sleep function. But we have the important time here. So we are going to do import time. So time will be imported and the function inside time, which is sleep, will be used. We can give our seconds inside these parentheses. I am going to give about 5 seconds. So our Spambot is done in just 10 lines of Python. Even we can remove all these indents, all these blank spaces, and it will become 7. We can even make this message a non-variable, and we will just put it in here and even remove this line. So only 6 lines is required. But I am going to undo all of this for the sake of tidiness. Now let's run this. So if I do it in my terminal, it will get flooded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new notepad and we are going to run the program and quickly put our cursor over here. So after 5 seconds is done, it will start spamming it in the notepad. So our message was subscribe to Virtual Tech 9 and it is getting spammed all over the notepad. So to stop this, we have to quickly close our terminal. So as you can see, now the spamming has stopped. I will leave a link to this Spambot in the description. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.